teams in this one. But LCK really puts the pressure on, especially on the Giants.
That's every hook on him. He is not quite down yet, however. Lenny is going to try to be safe, but he finally falls. And they have knocked the Copenhagen Wolves out of the LCS.
They are. Lulex has knocked back Betsy. Betsy's gone in with the hammer. Hexdrink is only going to keep you alive a millisecond longer, but that's enough to take out Ryu. The convincing ending over Gambit earned themselves a confidence boost. Candy Banders heals it! The first dragon of the game! Candy Banders given SK one more tool!
Oh, get him!
Nice.
Get him!
Yes.
SK Gaming will give Elements their 11th loss of the summer split.
Yeah, I'm super tired. Just look at Ryu. Yeah.
He's so energetic.
Look at Ryu for energy.
Yeah.
Just absorb it.
And again! Nexus! Only hit Nexus!
Yeah, Nexus.
Rocket, with this win, will secure themselves a playoff berth.
Idle Durant did nothing. Defensive flash from Pepinero. Mr. Rolls has been exhausted. Pepinero's gonna try stay alive, and it will not work. Rocket take down Giants, securing the 5th seed.
And Fnatic secure that perfect split for themselves, or will the Unicorns of Love trample their hopes? Nearly taken down, Reckless valks his way to a kill, and now a double for Hootie, a double for Reckless, the first team in LCS history, 18-0!